Hi, and welcome to Smartspec. Here you learn how to easily create a quality project specification. Firstly, set up a new project. Now you can add the project details and add any related parties. You can now start to build a specification. Click Add a Specification and you'll see a list of specifications. Just start at the beginning and take the clauses that you want to include in your spec. Smartspec is a really flexible system, allowing you to easily edit any of the clauses. You can also add a note to a clause to make the spec more project specific. Once you have completed the special conditions, you can move on to your trade sections. Click on Add Specification to select either generic or manufacturer specific spec. On the left side, you'll see the selection items laid out in a logical order. Note that in certain items, for example scope, you can only select one option, so rather than manually deleting irrelevant clauses, it's much easier for you to only add relevant content. You'll also see that your selection will sometimes inform other options. For example, here I've selected this project type. If I then go to choose the finish coatings, I can see two options. If I change my choice of product type, I can now only see one option here. This means it is much easier for you to specify correctly. Another example of the Smartspec logic can be seen in the relationship between the preparation selection and the installation options. You can see here if I select this option, then the installation options are matched to my choice. I can now select the durability zone, which will ensure that the fixing types are correct. So, behind the simple Smartspec interface, we've distilled the product manufacturer's collective knowledge, only presenting the available choices based on your selections. As you get to the end of the items, you might see a notification that you've missed some mandatory selections. This is particularly useful if you've been distracted or stopped the spec writing process midway through. Now you can elect to send the spec to the manufacturer for review and comment. We recommend this as the supplier can then contact you if their product line changes or there are any issues with your selections. Click All Done and you can continue to add other product specifications to the trade sections. When you're ready, you can export the project specification in PDF format. This PDF includes a dynamically created table of contents and related NSAID standards to each trade section. We hope you love using Smartspec.